10 Unknown Facts about Python Programming. Part 1. How many know that Python began as a time pass project? Well, the famous programmer Gudrun Van Rossum in 1989 actually developed Python as a hobby project during the Christmas holidays. Number 2. Named after. The name Python is an odd name for a programming language, as it was named after a TV show called The Monty Python's Flying Circus, which was actually a horror movie, and he was a big fan of it. Number 3. Multiple variants. There are different variants such as the CPython, JPython, IronPython, Brython, RubyPython, PyPy, and MicroPython. This depends on the framework it gets integrated with. Number 4. Python, the oldest. Over the past decade, Python became a very popular programming language. But that being said, the first version of the Python was invented in 1991, whereas Java was in 1995, that making the Python as 30 years older. Number 5. Slicing operator. It is a very unique operator compared to other programming languages. This can perform various tasks such as the shortening a list, getting last and first number in the list, and this can do wonders in accessing the list. Python the slowest. Python is slower than other languages such as C, C++, and Java, as it is an interpreted language that translates each code line by line. Most of the big companies such as IBM, Facebook, Netflix use them as the main source of development. Number 7. Python and French. Python surpassed French in primary school teaching in 2015. 6 out of 10 parents prefer their children to learn Python over French. It doesn't mean Python overrules French, but the Python syntaxes were easy compared to the French language. Number 8. Memory power of an underscore. Many programmers are unaware that the underscore retrieves the result of the last expression and gets executed in the command line interface. Number 9. Python anti-gravity. If you use the statement import anti-gravity in your interpreter, it gives you an Easter egg. Then also loads the page with the comic style image of a stick figure named as Python fly. Number 10. Define infinite numbers. We all know that infinities cannot be defined, but Python made it possible by defining infinite numbers. There can be positive or negative infinite numbers, and also you can use it to which is bigger. In general, Python is a fascinating and a unique language, which makes it highly user-friendly. But in today's generation, the effective choice of language has become Python.